morning everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today is a beautiful day outside, so I'm going to decide to go to my deck and enjoy the weather and talking to you. I love to be here and to enjoy the weather, of course, and I'm happy to share with you another yummy Vietnamese dish from the 3-tray Griddle I have shared with you before. Remember, the first one is the grilled pork sausage. Second one is the grilled tapioca shrimp and pork cake. And today is no exception. Nice, easy, and simple to make. The yummy dish is called grilled shrimp cake. Remember the 3-tray Griddle I have shared with you? You're gonna love it, and same with the other two. Easy, simple, and very tasty. Today we're gonna share with you the tray of 18 cake and the tray with 4 cake more. Very nice and simple, same like the other two. We're gonna make a Vietnamese yummy dish and enjoy it with a very easy way to do. One of them will be the udon noodle soup with the grilled shrimp cake. Is so yummy. I know you're gonna love it, and I hope you like my share today. Try it and enjoy with your family one of the most delicious Vietnamese dishes. So come on and enjoy with me, Lee Dynasty Kitchen today, how to make the yummy grilled shrimp cake. Look at this delicious grilled shrimp cake we just made from the 3-tray Griddle. Looks so yummy, isn't it? Beautiful too, and very easy to make. So let's go to the kitchen. We will make the delicious shrimp cake today. For the ingredient, we will need 600 grams of shrimp. Any kind of shrimp, more or less is up to you. Then peel it up. After you peel it up, you will wash it in cold water. Wash it few times. Okay? Of course, you wear the glove because it's going to be very cold when you use the cold water to wash it. Put some salt in there, please don't forget. Wash it out and deveined. Okay? See? Like that. Take all the black thread out so the shrimp will be nice, clean. Put in the basket to drain. You can now put in the fridge if you like, if you don't do it right away. And if you want to do it right away, all you do just use the paper towel and then just dry it up. After it dries, you put in the plastic bag, flat it out as much as you can so it will get frozen faster in the freezer. Just like this. Okay, now straight to the freezer for a few hours or until the shrimp get harder. When you take it out, the shrimp is supposed to look like this. You can break it off, but the shrimp is frozen and it's like this look here, to make sure that not soft. Put straight to the food processor. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. Very simple marinade, just like that. Turn on the machine. Same like the other last time when I sharing how to make the shrimp cake or pork sausage. Just about 20 to 25 the plate turn, and then you make sure spread it out on the shrimp because it's frozen, right? Shrimp is very soft, so it's easier to grind it. It's not like the meat, so it's very fast to do. Just few times, After each time, you just spread it out, make sure everything is down. Everything is even. One more time and that's it, we're done. You can check, okay? If you need a little bit more, The textures of the shrimp, it should be like this. Look at it. It should be like that. Okay? And you're ready. As usual, after you grind it, you're gonna smash the shrimp paste down to the cutting board a few times. Okay? Add a little bit oil to your palm so it won't stick together, and then just slam it down a few times to make the shrimp cake is more chewy after all. Okay? Today we're gonna make the shrimp ball and the shrimp cake by using the 18 cake tray and then the 4 cake tray. Okay? You can divide a small portion. Okay? Make sure add some oil to your palm. Okay? And just do as I'm showing you right here. Cut it up few parts like this. Then round it up. You will have nice shrimp ball. Okay? Continue to do the other portion. Same like that. Add a little bit oil in your palm and cut it up in small pieces like that, and then round it up. Very easy and very tasty at the end. You're gonna love it. Shrimp is very easy and fast to get cooked. So at the next few steps, you will see how easy and how fast it is. Okay? With this way I'm sharing today, you're gonna grill the shrimp ball very fast. You don't need to be steamed, it doesn't need to be fried, but grill. Don't add too much oil. If it's too much, then it won't stick together. Okay? So now the remainder of the shrimp, we're gonna divide by 2, and then you can do the shrimp cakes by using the 4 cake mold. Actually, you can use whatever you like. You can use all the shrimp, the 4 cakes tray, or you can use the 18 cake mold, so you can do ball or you can do the flat pieces. Add a little oil to the tray and then flat down the shrimp. Okay, like that. You have 2 flat pieces for this time. You can use the saran wrap, put it on top to press it down easier. Make sure it's all fit in that mold. Okay, that's it. So with 600 grams of shrimp today, we're gonna mix some shrimp ball and we're gonna make some shrimp flat cakes like this. So yummy. Now it's time to grill it. Okay, so we're gonna make the shrimp ball first. Round it up a little bit and then just put in the tray, just like that. Cover the lid and turn it on at like 400 or 450. Shrimp cook very fast, so make sure you keep an eye on it and turn to the other side even it's not completely cooked yet. Okay, we don't want to make it dry, so we keep turning it. Okay, just a little bit, then turn it again. Okay, by doing that, then the shrimp ball won't be dry. And keep in mind, shrimp cook very fast, so make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't go away. Okay, just like that. See, it's cooked already, and you can just turn it off and use the scoop stick to pick it out. Very fast and easy. Very fast compared with when you grill the meat or so. Shrimp cook very fast, so that's why you have to keep an eye on it. That's it. See how nice and simple and very delicious. Look at that. chewy, but it's soft. Okay. Continue to finish with the shrimp ball, okay? Now we're gonna cut it out to try. Look at this. See how nice? This is exactly what we want to see. Chewy, soft, very delicious. Very fast, that's the key, you know? It won't take long to cook the shrimp ball at all. Okay, so now we're gonna grill the flat shrimp cake. Okay, we're gonna add some annatto oil on top. This is optional. If you don't like it, that's fine. By doing this, you can add some nice color. Okay, so annatto oil, and then cover the lid. Same thing with the shrimp ball. After that, you turn it on to 400 and 450, and turn to the other side time to time, even it's not cooked yet. Okay, because we don't want to make the shrimp cake is right out from the other side, so keep turning from the other side to the other side, same thing like that, few times. Okay, add another layer of annatto oil to the other side. Okay, just like that, so the color will look prettier. Cover the lid after, and then cook for another few minutes, and then you turn again to the other side. By doing that for like 3-4 times, the shrimp is cooked. Take it out the shrimp cake by using the skew stick. It's very easy and simple. There we go. When you do and turning the shrimp cakes few times like that, you will prevent the dryness. Okay? In no time, we're gonna have the delicious shrimp cake. So yummy. So now, let's take a look one more time how to make the grilled shrimp cake today, okay? Please watch more carefully the procedure, how to do it. Look at this delicious shrimp ball and the flat shrimp cake we just made. Look at this. I just cut it out to try. This is the textures we want to see. Nice, smooth, chewy, but very soft. Nice, beautiful color and very yummy to eat. You're gonna love it. And I hope you will try it to make it because it's so simple, isn't it? So simple, healthy, no oil, and you can make it all the time because it's very fast. Delicious grilled shrimp cake can be eaten with a lot of other dishes. Look at the shrimp ball. So yummy, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful, and it's very tasty. I hope you like my share today. And if you like, please give my video the thumbs up. And please share and try it out so you can see how delicious this Vietnamese grilled shrimp cake. Healthy, tasty, and very easy to do. And one of the most delicious dishes we eat with the shrimp cake is the udon noodle soup. I have shared before, so please check it out the video. And please don't forget to subscribe Lee Dynasty Kitchen. This will help to encourage me to spend more time to create and sharing the new yummy dish. And for you who understand Vietnamese, please check out my video in Vietnam so you can see more of the yummy, delicious dish I have shared in this channel. Thanks again for watching the video today, how to make the yummy grilled shrimp cake. Please watch out for my next video. The dish number 4 from the 3-tray griddle is a grilled rice cake. 18 cake at a time. Very yummy and very delicious. Also, very easy to do too. Thanks again, and I hope to see you next time.